Yo, yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today. Hey man, I got a highly anticipated shoe, you know what I'm saying? Man, if you go ahead and read that thumbnail, you're going to review these Jordan 11 adapts, man. These Jordan 11s, man. These hard. I didn't see them in person yet at all. I just got the review on them. I see them post on this page, so I didn't see them in hand first. I didn't see them at all yet. So now for others, gonna get to the video. If you did, man, like or subscribe. If you're new to my channel, go ahead hit that like or subscribe button. Feel good. We almost at that 600 subscribers, man. The ultimate goal is get to 1K, man. The 1K mark, man. So hopefully we get there, man. It's a giveaway going on right now. It's live right now. The giveaway's ended on Friday, so make sure you follow them steps in the description. Also go ahead and follow them pages, man. So without further ado, man, let's go get to this video. So like I said, if you read that thumbnail, we're doing a review of these Jordan 11 adapts, man. I don't want to get too much talking because this shoe looks fire, and I want y'all to see it. So without further ado, let's go get this box out, man. All right, so I brought the tape out for this one. So like I said, shout out to you, bro, man. Once again, definitely appreciate the love, support, man. Definitely, man. So it's a big old Just Do It box, man. Got your Nike Just Do It box. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. So let's get this bad boy out, man. All right. So this is different. So y'all can see that it says adapt right there. Y'all can see that. Got the Jordan, you know, so of course. Right here on the side, got some adapt. There it go right there. If y'all can see that for sure. Yes, sir. And on the back, boom, boom, boom. This box is different, man. It's a 10.5. So it says Air Jordan Adapt US MX JPCA white multicolor 10.5 USD $500, man. $500, man. Like I said, man, shout out to you, bro, man, for showing love, man. Now further ado, let's get this box out. Ooh, ooh wee, ooh, that's fire. Just look how the paper comes out, and it says it right here how to charge. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have a zoom in right here so you can see it better. Cause y'all can't see it from that far, but right shows basically connect your phone to it to basically charge your adapter shoes, and also, you know what I'm saying, how to tie them, lace them up, stuff like that. Look at the paper, man. Here we go, close up on the paper. So on this paper, it says adapt and got the Jordan logo on there. And y'all can just see it on the camera right here. This looks crazy, man. So now further ado, let's go get the shoe out. Dang. There they go, man. Jordan 11 adapts, man. Here they go. These things in person are crazy, man. These crazy, man. Ooh, look at the outer sole, man. Of course, on Jordan 11s, you're gonna love that outer sole, man, with that icy bottom. Ooh wee. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get the other joint out, man. These things are fire, man. They don't come with no sets of laces or anything. So in case y'all don't know what the adapt, basically what the adapt is, basically, because I got some Nike adapts out. You know what I'm saying? John Morant be wearing them. Here go a couple pictures of the adapts right there. So basically what it is, so y'all see this plus sign right here. So all you're gonna do, basically gonna ties up the shoe. So I'm gonna click it and y'all gonna see it. So here we go. See that? And then how you untie them, you'll hit the negative right here. So it's a positive to tie them, and the negative is like basically unlace them. So here we go. That is crazy. These are crazy, man. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all what else is in the box, of course. So I'm gonna show y'all what's in the box. So got your Nike Adapt, got your little booklet right here. Pretty sure it's the instructions as well, so. Oh yeah, I ain't finna open all this. Pretty sure it's the instructions, stuff like that. I ain't finna open that. All right, so right here on the side, I don't know what this is, about to find out. Let me see. Oh, so okay, cool. So right here on the side has the charger, got your adapter right here, and got the cord. So that goes right there on the side. Put that back, make sure everything's straight for them, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna mess up no confusion, stuff like that. Of course, I got the Air Jordan logo on there. That is sick. So how to charge these Jordan 11s, these adapts right here. So basically you'll put this flat down, and you'll put both of these on here and charge them up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all asking how they charge it up? So basically, see that? I'm gonna take it out actually so I can see it even better. Y'all see that? These two dots right here. So basically, on these, this is my first time, so I don't know neither, but I'm trying to figure out myself. All right, so I'm pretty sure that it's some type of connection going on with the shoe that it will basically put on one side like this, because like I said, the circles. See how the circles is? So you'll put one shoe right here and another shoe right here. And pretty sure, like I said, it's some type of connection going on within the shoe that you don't see it, because on the outer sole, you don't see like a big old circle or something like that. You'll see them little circles right there. But other than that, you won't see like something to connect to it. I'm pretty sure that's how I go. I seen the instructions right here. It will show right there how to charge your, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 11 daps right there as well. So of course, man, this thing is super dope, man. This heat, man. This is crazy. So let's go ahead and talk about this shoe, man. Outer sole right here, you got your icy outer sole right here. Also, you got the red pads right here. On the whole upper, it's a white upper. So on the upper, the material, it's not like a fishnet material, but you kind of could say that. So basically, what's this material? I'm not familiar with this material. All right. So right here on your upper, I'm not familiar with this material at all. In case you know what the material is, comment down below, let me know. It's not like a fishnet material. This is something new to me, so I don't know what this material this is. Of course, right here on the tongue, of course, you got the Air Jordan right there. You know what I'm saying? Got the white Jumpman with the red logo on there as well. And like I said, there's different laces on there. So this is a dap. So in case y'all didn't know, once again, the plus sign means it will lace up on its own. And basically on the negative, it will untie on its own. So once again, I'm gonna show you again. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna show you again, so here we go. So pay attention closely to right here, basically how the shoe will tighten up. And then here we go again. I'm gonna show you how to untie the shoe. You'll hit the negative right here to untie it. So watch closely how loose the shoe gets. See how loose the shoe was? This is crazy, man. And of course on the inside, it's crazy. Of course they're gonna give them this. See, in them Jubilee joints, they didn't give us, you know what I'm saying, they didn't give us these, but of course they're gonna give them in them. You know what I'm saying? I love when they put these in Jordan 11s. I love when they put these in there. And of course on the inside, I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. It'll say adapt in there on the inside as well. But overall, man, this shoe is crazy, man. The texture is very different. The shoe is heavier, by the way. Of course, because it got this big old battery right here. I could tell it's like a battery like right here because it feels so heavier, like back here on the heel. So overall, this shoe is super dope, man. I've seen a couple of pictures in them, but I didn't ever think I'd get my hands on it or one of my bros get their hands on it. But overall, this shoe hard, man. I actually like this colorway a lot on the Jordan 11. They should look into that. Have basically the whole upper be white, and they make this black, and then they make this Jumpman red. Of course, I love the outer sole, the icy bottom on the outer sole. I just love them. I'm not even a big Jordan 11 fan, but I like these a lot. Even though they're adapted, but I like them a lot. Oh, I forgot. Of course, you can't forget on the tongue right there. That's when you know it's official, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, overall, this shoe's super fire. This shoe's super dope, man. Again, shout out to you, bro, for letting me do a review on this, man. I definitely appreciate it. It means a lot to me, man. Get out to my subscribers and let them see it, you know what I'm saying? So, like I told y'all, I'll be getting heat. It ain't my heat, but at the same time, I'll be getting reviews on some stuff that a lot of people really, you see videos on, they be like, dang, how you grab them, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, I just use my connect sometimes. I'll be like, oh, you grabbed them? Let me do a review for my page, you know what I'm saying? Or just post it on my shoe page. Make sure you follow that shoe page as well on Instagram. The link down in the description on that as well. But like stuff like this, I didn't ever think I'd get my hands on, really. Because of course I thought about buying them. It's an easy flip. Guaranteed you make some money off of it for sure. You're just paying that $540, that $540, man, after tax. That's how much he told me. After tax was $540, man. This is crazy. And it's a 10.5, by the way. He said he looking to sell it, so let me know if you're looking, you know what I'm saying, looking to get this shoe. But I wish I could do it on feet, but it's not my shoe and stuff like that. But if I could, I would for y'all, man. But I keep looking at it. These things are nice. These things are nice, man. I just love, don't y'all love just an icy bottom on a Jordan 11? Don't y'all love that, man? Just an icy bottom with the outer, just look at the outer sole. Smooth, man. Definitely hard. He's definitely hard. I'm gonna show y'all one more time how I love the little lace up thing. It's very creative that they got. And what's crazy, that they put this on a Jordan 11, man. That is crazy. Like I said, Nike adapts, they got basketball shoe out. Like John Moran be wearing them all the time. But they put it on a retro 11. Do y'all hear me? On a Jordan 11. They might start doing it. They might put on Jordan 1s. You never know, bro. You never know how it can go. Because it ties up on its own. So, like, again, I'm going to show y'all one more time. Here we go. That is crazy, man. How that thing just tie on its own. On a retro 11. These are sick. So, I'm going to do the negative one more time. So, here we go. These are sick, man. Comment down below if y'all liking these, man. Pretty sure a lot of people ain't grab them because, like I said, the price is crazy. I didn't grab them. It was $500 retail. I didn't grab them at all. But comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all like it. If y'all liking these, they look better in person. Trust me, they look way better in person. Because off pictures and stuff like that, you like them nice. Them ain't bad. But when you see them in hand, you be like, whoa. And just to see the box, like I said, you got the charger. It got the little stand you put the shoes on and charge and stuff like that. You got your cell phone. You could use that. Like, it's so much stuff. Basically, this whole shoe is like a technology thing. That's what we're going towards to. Technology, stuff like that. So, you know, these are crazy. These are sick, man. So good. Like I said, I be getting heat like this on my channel all the time, man. I be getting heat like this on the channel all the time. So make sure you like and subscribe, man. We can try to get to this 1K mark. Hopefully we get there. My birthday's in March. I'm trying to get to 1K by the time March comes. I believe I could get there. I believe y'all could get me there as well, man. So hopefully everybody have a good day today, you know what I'm saying? Everybody stay blessed up, man. Become your own boss. Greatness comes with patience, man. I'm gonna have that in the background. That's my basically I live by that now, you know what I'm saying? Greatness comes with patience. In case y'all don't know what that means, it's like you want to be great, but it comes with patience, you know what I'm saying? Everybody want to be great at something, but you got to be patient. But at the same time, that don't mean you stop what you're doing. It don't mean stop what you're working. Stop whatever you're doing, but keep on working. Keep on working. That hard work gonna pay off soon. So that's it, man. Stay humble, man. Stay blessed up. Be blessed, man. That you here doing something you love doing. Whatever you think about doing, chase that, man. Chase that for sure. So hopefully everybody have a blessed day today. I'm saying, like and subscribe if you're new. Roll to 1K, baby. Let's get to it. And also, the giveaway live right now. Steps is in the description. The giveaway's ended on Friday. Go ahead and do that. Gerald1 is out. Peace.